So here's an apple from the supermarket, Costco to be exact. It's a cultivar called Crimson Crisp. And if you didn't know, a lot of apples are actually kept in cold storage for many months before they're sold to the supermarkets where you can buy them. So here I have another Crimson Crisp, which I cut slices off. And since they are kept in cold storage, when you get the seeds, you will notice that a lot of the seeds are actually starting to germinate already. So let's take a look here. And wow, this is a very good example. You can see that the seeds are already well on their way towards actually coming up. So take one seed there, and another one there, and they're just falling out. So basically, if you see seeds like this with these roots already coming out, that means the apple was in cold storage, probably for over 3 months. And apples indeed can be kept for that long. And so essentially, once they got into the warm supermarket, the seeds started germinating within the apple. And these are really good. They're ready to be planted right away. And if you plant them in the dirt, within about 2 weeks to a month, you'll see them popping out of the soil, like I did over here with these two apple seedlings. So you can tell they're apple seedlings because first they have the cotyledons, and then the leaves come out, the first set of true leaves, and you'll see that the edges are kind of jagged like that. So that's how you would plant a supermarket apple. And if the seeds are not germinated, like let's take a look at my collection of seeds from apples that are not germinated, you'll see them, they'll be like this, the brown ones. The black ones are actually from pear, and the brown ones are from apple. But if they're not germinated at all, they can be stored for quite a while, or they should be able to be stored for quite a while. But if they are ready to plant, you will see them like that. And another note is that apples are not true to seed, meaning that once these grow, they probably will not have fruit like the parent. They might, but not necessarily. So from seed, apples takes anywhere from 7 to 10 years. So if you want them for the fruit, don't necessarily get your hopes up. On the other hand, you will get a tree with very nice flowers. And that's all. So I had planted the apple seeds here, and within 3 days they actually started to come up. So you can see the cotyledons there. And also, I had some planted here, right here. So it's really quick because the seeds were already germinated. And after a couple more weeks, you can expect these guys just like that. So that's how you can plant apple seeds from supermarket apples.